So today, and our session is talking about patterns, price patterns, guys. And as you can see here, last time I discovered about the ASEAN range high and ASEAN range low and 50% Fibonacci retracement or ASEAN medium price range. You can call it medium price range or area of value. So it's about understanding the ASEAN 50%. You call it what? 50% retracement is like market is support and resistance areas. Yes, guys. So this topic, I wish you understand last topic about 50% areas, but now this lesson, this session, we're gonna talk about combination of an ASEAN high and ASEAN low and 15 price range and order flow and market patterns, guys. You need to understand all of them in one and apply in lifetime. As you guys together. So in this particular case, we're going to use a moving average. We're going to use 20 moving average because as my mentor also used 20 moving average to make things simple, guys. Okay. In this particular case, this is ASEAN high and ASEAN low, and now we can draw up our Fibonacci retracement to find out our area of value of 50% price range. So that's going to be our support and resistance areas, confluence of support and resistance areas. So this is going to be our supply and demand area, our support and resistance areas. So actually the market is creating higher highs and higher lows. Order flow is now a little bit bullish. Then in this particular case, what we need to understand here the market was getting higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs and higher lows. So and in this particular case, first 3 hours of London, what the market is giving us, as you can see here, the market order flow is bullish and we get our support here. When we get support, the market just go back up to resistance. Market try to look for resistance. When you get the support nearby, just focus buy entry. Demand means the market will respect the demand and break supply. Are you guys together? The market will respect the demand and respect the what? And respect the demand and break supply areas. Resistance areas, same process. The market will respect and SPR zone, whatever you call it. But me, I want to keep it simple, guys. I don't want to complicate things. So in a fast 3 hour London window, and 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock. After 3 hour window, what do you see? The market is already creating bullish flag, guys. When the market creating like a narrow range price action, what's a narrow range price action? It's like correction, guys. Narrow range is like market creating low, high, low, high, low. When you see this kind of price action, it's called bullish flag, guys, or narrow range pullback. And this is what strong impulse, or what I call here, and what I call last time here, and what I call it last time here, last week I was talking about divine ranges. As you can see, divine ranges high, divine ranges, also another divine ranges, another divine ranges that can tell you buyer's momentum is very strong because buyers push three times this market. The buyers push 3 times this market means the divine ranges is telling us now 3 steps. 3 steps means the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This is strong bullish indication, guys. The strong bullish indication is gonna tell you the market will respect trend and support, and here you get in the ASEAN range where you get your support here. Alright, you guys together. So you get your support here. Okay. As you can see here, the market create very bullish flag on bullish flag pattern, and market fly this area, this short squeeze pattern, and market give you bullish price action. As you can see also here, the market actually will talk to you. The market is creating what? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. The market breaking the highs. This is a bullish strength. It's called bullish strength. When the market respecting last low, last low, last low, last low, then it's called bullish strength. When the market shows strength, it's a sign of bullish blow off. The market this time create strong move upside, guys. So in this particular case, what do you need? This day, market create this day. Alright, this day also here, what price was doing here. In this particular case, what we need here, where's ASEAN range finish here 9 o'clock in the morning, South African time. I stay in South Africa, guys. So you can use your local time zone if you're anywhere you are in the world. But if you want to use a US time, it's 2 to 5 a.m. So in this particular case, what I'm going to find out whether ASEAN high and ASEAN low, rule number 1, then when I find out that my high and low, then I'm not talking about overall trend direction, guys. I'm talking about the high and low of ASEAN. I'm not talking about overall trend direction and high time frame direction. I'm just talking about the simple daily process, guys. The ASEAN range high, the ASEAN range low, and number 2, I need to find out the ASEAN 50% Fibonacci retracement or area of value, guys. So when I find out my area of value, this is gonna be around here. So my area of value is around here. So market need to find to retrace my support, or market is creating higher low here. The market create higher low here. Again break up and create another higher low here. Again break and create another higher low here. So this is higher low, higher low, higher low, guys. So let me say here, market is creating higher lows, higher lows. So when the market break last higher low, the market actually collapse to where? To the support. To support, guys. 50% area of value, as you can see here. So what I tell you, higher low, higher low, higher low is bullish strength. After higher low is broken, the market shifted from bullish environment to bearish environment. Coming back to the bottom perspective, guys. Coming back to bottom perspective, what market was doing here. 1 push, 2 push, 3 steps. Means the market find resistance here. And this particular case, what you can see in 1 minute time frame, the market create trendline structures. Trendline also show you the market creating failed racing wedge. When you see racing wedge on uptrend, you see here this was a strong impulse. After strong impulse, the market small correction here, small correction, the market go up again and create another impulse. So this is one wave impulse. When you see one wave impulse, then what you can expect? Large corrective strategy to the low area, guys. So at least the market to retest what? 50% price value. Are you guys together? How the price behave? 1 push, 2 push, 3 push on London time window. Over time, you're going to see the market collapse back to 50% retracement. For the bottom perspective, the market give you what? Racing channel, guys. Racing wedge. Racing wedge, guys. Racing wedge. What you can see here, racing wedge, as you can see here. And the market create higher low, higher low, higher low. See, this is last higher low, another higher low, another higher low. You guys see 3 higher lows. When the market break this higher low and come back to our moving average, guys, and come back our moving average, then the market trend shifted from bearish to bullish, collapse back to the downside. As you can see, guys. So in this particular case, when Steve back is explaining, he say here and an ASEAN high, an ASEAN low here, right? So and the market is above moving average, guys. The moving average is still just our trend direction. Our trend direction with a 5-minute, 15-minute time frame, as you can see, guys, can also use a 5-minute time. When he explained, he used actually 5-minute time frame. Let me try to use 5-minute time frame, not to confuse you guys, because I want to explain for you things easily. All right, ASEAN high and ASEAN low, as you can see here. (9 a.m. ASEAN finish. So this time, first 3 hours started consolidation here. Again, the market order flow is still bullish. The moving average is still in us now. Order flow is still bullish. Now the move average now is still in us. The order market is coiling in sideways in a moving average, guys. So the market actually creating a rectangle box. When you see rectangle box, the market move 2 times that rectangle box, guys. After the breakout of rectangle box, the market go full range expansion. So when the market is coiling in a moving average, you need to stay away, guys. You need to stay away. After the market come back to the moving average, you can buy from here, this area. It's very dangerous area. It's very dangerous to stay also away, but try to understand rectangle reversal, guys. You need to understand this kind of price pattern. It's called rectangle bullish reversal. That pattern you can only see after the market order flow is bullish. So let me say your order flow is bullish, are you expecting a high time frame direction was bullish, then there's no magic to see price is coiling inside the moving average, guys. Inside moving average, then in this particular case, you need to be careful buying inside. Buying dips you can buy, and buying later on you can buy for explosive trend rate. But you can use a moving average just like that, guys. Okay, are you guys together? All right, this particular day, as you can see, this day is finished. Okay, when the ASEAN finished, the price is above moving average, means trend is still bullish. The moving average is still as the market is still bullish. We read also order flow here, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, as you can see, as you guys can see. So this is the last higher low. Again the price gives us another higher low. Again the price gives us another higher low. 3 higher lows. When we see 3 higher lows and the market broke back up again, and the market is come back to the moving average, this time the market is about to collapse. Where you have to have multiple confluences, guys. What are multiple confluences? The market is coming back down to where? To a 50% retracement level. Why? We already have a multiple confluence, guys. We already have multiple confluences saying this is ASEAN low, this is ASEAN high, higher low, higher low, higher low. The moving average also crossover, then they will be collapsed back to where? To original bullish breakout. So guys can see that's how simple it is. That's how simple process is. The process is not hard. You need to add things together. You need to learn how to add things together. So what I'm adding here, the higher low, higher low, higher low, I'm adding those rows. I'm also using many things. So you need to understand what means higher low, higher low, higher low. So you need to understand ASEAN ranges first. You need to watch those lessons about ASEAN range highs, ASEAN range low, and importance of what? 50% price range for support and resistance. Number 2, you need to understand and the pattern is that's forming here. The pattern is that's forming here. When this pattern is forming, that means the market will to come back down, because this is a racing wedge. Racing wedge is very fast pattern, guys. Above where? Above ASEAN range high. You guys can together. All right. And this market was coiling what? Higher low, and higher low. So when you see 3 higher lows, they will be explosive trend reversal, guys. Most of the time it's happening. So moving average, watch the moving average. For your confirmation is what? Universal entry criteria of moving average, guys. Moving average especially what time was this time? London, Europe overlap. London, New York overlap, guys. Then what you can see, the market collapsed back to this trend direction. But why the market collapsed? Because the trend direction was bearish. Overall trend direction was bearish, the market followed the trend direction, guys. So always respect overall trend direction also, then you will see the massive shifting in your trading style, guys. Okay, going back to next day before. 1, 2. Okay, this day, and first thing I need to get what? I need to understand what here my ASEAN range high and my ASEAN range low, and I need to understand here my ASEAN overlap here, my West ASEAN overlap here, London ASEAN. Okay, London actually open inside, then I need to draw up 50% retracement here. I need to get 50% the price value. I need to get a 50% the price value from high to low range. Then the market create, what do you see here? Which kind of button you see inside? Coil in sideways. When you see coil in sideways, that's a kind of rectangle reversal button, guys. That rectangle button above where? 50% level, guys. The value area. After 50% value area, the market create low inside. After market create low inside, what you can see, lower high, then collapse. Are guys together? So what I'm adding here? So many things. I'm adding what here? ASEAN range high, ASEAN range low, 50% the price value, moving average, and button. I'm adding so many things, guys. It's not easy, guys. So what you can see here, guys, in this particular case, the moving average is telling you what? When the London is around here, the market is telling you what? Price is coiling inside the moving average. So this is large rectangle reversal, guys. So what was direction? Bullish or bearish? You need to know from high time frame. So in this particular case, then after the market create reversal button, large reversal button this time, that's why the market give us explosive trend, guys. As you can see, guys, cloud blow off. As you can see, guys, the market never retests. There was a strong bearish reversal button here. The market create what we call measure move. Measure move profit target is this. When you see this, let's call it this. This is called rectangle reversal. Rectangle bearish reversal. Rectangle bearish continuation. Low inside and moving average also. Fast telltale sign 50% moving average. Low inside. Below the moving average for moving average more trend confirmation and creating trend collapse, guys. What I mean trend collapse? The market is still creating lower lows below the moving average. Again, come back to moving average and give you what? Again, button, rectangle continuation or flat continuation. That kind of button you need to know sideways button. Again, what you can see, the market on the news market collapse back to straight down, guys. Are you guys together? So you need to know many things. You need to know many things, guys. It's about knowing many information. And now I explain for you how to use moving average, how to use an ASEAN range combination with everything, guys. I wish now you guys getting more better day after day. I try to make more videos about this just to have and to let you guys have a strong trading plan for next year. Keep it simple, serious. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I wish you guys getting inside information. Every single day you can do the same process. Every single day you can do the same process. You're gonna say what? This ASEAN range here, this ASEAN range high, this ASEAN range low, guys. As you can see. So where's London? London already open around here. on the upper round here. So this can be assian range low, right? So which kind price pattern we see? Which kind of price pattern? This was a bearish price pattern. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower highs. It's out of a strong overflow, strong one impulse, guys. Then the market go back to what? Strong impulse back here. Then it started coiling in sideways. Started coiling in sideways above the moving average. The moving average price trading below the moving average. So when the moving average trend start from here, where you see trend start from here? The trend start from here, and now where the moving average crossover, the market go back exactly where. That's how to use moving average. That's 20 moving average, guys. Then and on a Europe London window, the market gets rejected on the same level of resistance of area. There will be a Fibonacci retracement from high to low. What you can see, the Fibonacci retracement also the same process. The market travel back to 50% of retracement. Then actually that's a risk entry. You can take that risk entry, or you can take when the market broke back 50% retracement, guys. 50% price value, then you know the market trend is going to back down again. And in the same process, what you can see here in your eyes, the moving average crossover is starting from what? The 50% retracement, guys. The moving average also price cross back to the same area of 50% retracement, guys. The market collapse back downside. Momentum kicking 7 minutes, then we see the market collapse back and create lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, never go back again. That's how simple it is. But you need to know the high, the low, the moving average, the button, the low lows, the low highs. You need to know how to add things together, guys. Multiple confluence. I wish you guys understand these points. So this lesson is about adding multiple confluences like high and low, 50% price level, moving average, buttons, timing, and keep making things simple. I wish now you guys getting more information and understanding a lot of information from here. Anyways, guys and girls, keep it simple, keep getting better, keep back testing, and keep moving forward. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. May the market be with you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.